Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us look at this question 15th of exercise 8.3 indefinite integration. Question: integral x plus 1 upon square root of 2x minus 1 dx. Here what I am doing is, here what is the coefficient of x? 2. So I am just multiplying and dividing with 2. Can I do this? Since the coefficient of x in the denominator is 2, multiply and divide with 2. So you can understand here, this 2x plus 2 I am writing it as, this plus 2 can be expressed as minus 1 plus 3. Am I correct? Because in the denominator we have 2x minus 1. So in the numerator also we should have that 3 minus 1, 2 only, no? So we can write like that. Now split the integral 2x minus 1 by root 2x minus 1 dx plus 3 by 2 integral 1 by root 2x minus 1 dx. Okay? 1 by 2, this root times will cancel, because x means root x into root x we can write, plus 3 by 2 integral 1 by root of 2x minus 1 dx. 1 by 2 integral, this can be written as 2x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx plus 3 by 2 integral 2x minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now you can write the integration for this. 2x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2. By 3 by 2 will be there, that I will write 2 by 3. And what is the coefficient of x in the coefficient of x 2, that should be written in the denominator, plus 3 by 2. You can write 2x minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means half. So this will be 2 by 1, and coefficient of x is in the denominator, plus x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here also same, but you don't forget that x coefficient should be written in the denominator. So 2 gets cancelled. So answer is 1 by 6 of 2x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Here also 2 gets cancelled. Then here plus 3 by 2, 2x minus 1 whole power half plus c. Therefore integral x plus 1 by root 2x minus 1 dx equal to 1 by 6 into 2x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into 2x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus. Hope it is clear. That is the end of solution. Okay, let us see second question. Second one, also same procedure I will follow. Second one, integral x into root 3x minus 2 dx. So what I am doing is, since the coefficient of x is 3 here, I will multiply and divide with 3. Is that clear first? since the coefficient of x is 3 here, multiply and divide with 3. Then what do you have here? 3x minus 2. But I have only 3x here. Then what should I do? Add minus 2 and plus 2. Add and subtract 2. Because I want 3x minus 2 there. Right? So you can split the integration now. Integral 3x minus 2 into square root 3x minus 2 dx plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 integral root 3x minus 2 dx. Did you understand that? So 1 by 3, these two are same. This is whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, I can write 3 by 2 dx plus this I can write 3x minus 2 whole power half dx. Now you can write the integration. X power n integration, x power n plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2, 2 by 5 will come here, and x coefficient is 3 in the denominator, plus 2 by 3 into 3x minus 2 whole power 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and by 3 by 2 will be there, that will be coming to the numerator, and write the coefficient of x in the denominator, plus c. Right? Now 2 by 3 3's are 9, 9 5's are 45, 3x minus 2 whole power 5 by 2 plus 2 2's are 4, 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27, 3x minus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So that is the end of solution. Therefore step compulsory, you should never forget that 3x minus 2 dx equal to 2 by 45, 3x minus 2 whole power 5 by 2 plus 4 by 27 into 3x minus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.